Welcome to our latest video on unlocking the potential of Chat GPT, a powerful tool for earning money from your own chatbot. In this video, we will be discussing the features and benefits of Chat GPT and how you can use it to create your own chatbot and start earning money. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or developer, this video will provide valuable insights on how to take advantage of the latest advancements in AI technology to boost your revenue streams. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. As we all know, the world of technology is constantly evolving, and one of the latest advancements is the use of AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots are designed to interact with customers and provide them with the information they need in real time. The use of chatbots is becoming increasingly popular as they can handle a large volume of customers and provide them with personalized service. One of the most powerful tools for creating chatbots is Chat GPT. This tool uses the latest advancements in AI technology to create chatbots that can understand and respond to customer requests. Chat GPT is not just a simple chatbot builder, but it is a complete platform for creating and managing chatbots. It provides a wide range of features that will help you create a chatbot that can handle any type of customer request. Another benefit of using Chat GPT is that it allows you to customize your chatbot to suit your specific needs. You can add your own branding, customize the chatbot's responses, and create a unique user experience. This will help you stand out from your competitors and provide a better service to your customers. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool for creating and managing chatbots. It allows you to earn money from your chatbot, customize it to suit your needs, and provide a better service to your customers. If you're looking to take advantage of the latest advancements in AI technology, then Chat GPT is the perfect tool for you. Thanks for watching our video on unlocking the potential of Chat GPT. We hope that you found it informative and that you're now ready to start creating your own chatbot and earning money from it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest advancements in technology.